Like I would write like my name Design 9. I'll be like none cooler, none finer. You know, stuff like that.
Before I started getting really active, 85, 86, when it started really, you know, those initial years of LA graffiti when people were producing and coming up with styles, it was the East Side was like all the people that grew up in the gangs, the Old English, the blockbusters, you know, the gang writing. So like a lot of those, that type style lettering kind of evolved into the graffiti. Whereas what we saw, that point of view, like the West Side writers, they evolved from the New York influence more so. So their work resembles New York or a particular writer at the time named Soon. We always kind of said that. And I guess if you talk to some of the West Coast artists, like they know in a sense that their style, the styles were totally different. It was the West Side style and the East Side style. We were the East Side style. We were the ones, I mean, in my point of view, we were the original as far as like the way that we presented our graffiti, the way, the colors, the letters. Not to put down anything on them, but we were the ghetto kids and they were the rich kids. They were the ones that that had cars, that had like, you know, a nice home and stuff like that. Yeah, and the money. So, and you know, we just had each other.
Well, it's a character that I came up with. It's like a